Hello guys, let's learn alphabets A to Z and let's learn some colors name. These are colors. These are colors. This is pink color. Which color is this? This is pink color. Pink. This is green color. Which color is this? Green. Sky blue color. Dark blue color. Black color. Orange color. Yellow color. Brown color. Green color. And this one is red color. Let's start the video. This is letter A. Letter A. Next is letter B. This is letter B. Letter C. Next is D. This is letter D. Next is E. This is letter E. F. This is letter F. G. This is letter G. H. Letter H. I. This is letter I. J. Letter J. K. This is letter K. L. Letter L. M. This is letter M. N. This is letter N. O. This is letter O. P. Letter P. Q. This is letter Q. R. This is letter R. S. This letter is S. T. This is letter T. U. This is letter U. V. This is letter V. W. This letter is W. X. This is letter X. Y. This is letter Y. Z. This is letter Z. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for snake, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yak and Z for zebra. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe my channel.